immediately arrest the organizer. Refund the money to the common men who paid for the tickets. And for future, government should have a standard operating procedure for such large congregations which take place in the city. There should be an insurance scheme where the life and property of the spectators will be insured. The premium should be paid by the organizer who collected tickets. Now, if such an incident takes place in future, for such congregations, rapid action force in sufficient numbers should be kept ready, well-oiled and fighting fit. Then, very important, we see lack of management, lack of planning, lack of supervision here. These things are to be taken care of before such an event is given sanction by the Bengal is shocked. India is aghast. The sports world is benumbed, seeing the pell-mell that took place in Salt Lake Stadium today. The visit of the football icon Messi has been used by the organizers for self-seeking monetary benefit for them. Football has been made into a commodity for the private gains of certain people. Who is responsible for this pell-mell? Will the organizer please raise his hand? And secondly, where are the police? Yesterday, I had anticipated certain things here based on certain information which was received from the common man who called me. Then, instructions were given to government to take certain preventive steps. None of the steps seem to have been taken in this respect. Now, what is to be done? We have to call a spade a spade. Now it's a square issue squarely drawn. Order a judicial inquiry into the incident. Monitoring whether the plan and management is implemented properly. That has been done in the control room very effectively. It's a very sad state of affairs that even the Chief Minister could not reach the place. What is happening in Bengal? Is this the way the police should behave? The police have failed the people of Bengal. The police have failed the government. Police have failed the constitution. Police have also been responsible for the breakdown of law and order. Serious issues which are to be considered, debated, and decisions taken. This kind of incidents should not repeat in future.